Beautiful, beautiful video, my beautiful sister. The message is loud and clear. Please be patient. I'm just a girl. You see, she plugged the L to show that she's still Elena. She's playing music and the song is saying, finally, I'm happy. Finally, ngijabulile. Because of, I don't want to get music copyright, I won't play the original audio. This is the first video that I saw from her. And she made sure that the message is loud and clear. So you see that there is in letter L, she's still Elena. And when you look on the other side, she's saying, please be patient, I'm just a girl. So that you won't be harsh. Don't hoot at her, don't shout at her. Just know that it's a girl who is learning how to drive. Give her grace, give her that time, give her the space so that she can get it right. And that was awesome, man. It really shows that people go extra mile to prevent the harsh behavior that we give them on the road, to prevent the harsh treatment and the words that we normally say to them when the car is rolling. She did well by making sure that we read that message. It's written in a way that you should see that it was written with love. The person made sure that you will understand that she's just a girl, man. She's just a girl. Don't use your anger. Don't be hard on her. And I appreciate you guys showing me love and support. If you like this type of content, subscribe to the channel and give me a like. I'll appreciate that. Let me give you part 2, because now 4 months later, she's that girl now. She's that girl now. You know what I'm saying? But the message is still there. And I appreciate you guys showing me love and support. Thank you.